Hey guys, my name is Shashwat and I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company. My topic for today is the difference between tribunal and court. So, what is a tribunal? Tribunal is a quasi-judicial institution that is set up to deal with the problems such as resolving administrative or tax-related disputes. It performs a number of functions like adjudicating disputes, determining rights between contesting parties, making an administrative decision, reviewing an existing administrative decision, and so forth. The different types of tribunal are, first of all, Central Administrative Tribunal. The tribunal is set up to resolve the disputes related to the recruitment and service condition for selected personnel in public services, as well as posts as regards the union affairs or the local authorities. The second tribunal is Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. This tribunal is set up to deal with the appeals under the Direct Tax Acts, wherein the decision made by the tribunal is considered as final. However, if a material question of law arises for determination, then the appeal goes directly to the High Court. About High Court, I will tell you when I'll be mentioning about courts. Next, the third comes Industrial Tribunal or Labor Court. They are also called as labor courts. It is a judiciary body which is established to adjudicate industrial disputes concerning any matter. The tribunal consists of one person who is designated as the officer of tribunal. Then the fourth tribunal is Motor Accident Claim Tribunals. The Motor Accident Claim Tribunal is formed to deal with the matters and disputes concerning the motor accident claims provided by the Motor Vehicle Act 1988. According to this act, compulsory third-party insurance has to be done and proper procedure to be adopted by the tribunal to settle the claims under the dispute. This was all about the tribunal. Now I'll be telling you what are courts. If you are asked to define courts, how will you define them? The courts can be described as a judiciary body set up by the government to adjudicate disputes between the competing parties through a formal legal process. It aims to giving justice in civil, criminal and administrative matters as per the rule of law. In short, court is a government institution where the decision of legal matters is taken by a judge or panel of judges or a magistrate. The various types of courts are described as, first of all, the Supreme Court. It is an apex body which is a court of record. All the courts in the country are bounded by the law made by the Supreme Court. It entertains appeal with respect to civil and criminal cases from High Court and certain tribunals. It is the protector and guarantor of fundamental rights of the citizens. High Court. The second court is High Court. The chief judiciary at the state level is the High Court, which enjoys civil and criminal matters. Also the general and special jurisdiction. It has supervisory power over subordinate courts and tribunals. Subordinate courts are the third type of court which actually see into the matter where civil actually they come under civil and criminal courts. They are actually also called as subordinate courts. Both the original and appellate that functions in their respective jurisdictions. These courts have same function all around the country with slight variations. So if we see The key difference between tribunal and court are, firstly, tribunals mean the body of members who are elected to settle controversies arising under certain special matters. On the other hand, court is understood as a judicial institution which is established by constitution to admire justice by legislation. Secondly, the decision given by the tribunals on a particular matter is known as the award. As against this, the court's decision is known as the judgment, decree, conviction, or acquittal. While tribunals are formed to deal with specific matters, courts deal with all types of cases. The tribunal can be a party to the dispute, whereas a court cannot be a party to the dispute. A court is impartial in the case that it acts as an arbitrator between the defendant and the prosecutor. That is it from my side. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and stay tuned.